Chef Babette Davis, 70-plus years old. The Vegan Chef's 7 Secrets to Youthful Energy and Vitality. Get ready to be blown away by the one and only Chef Babette Davis. At 70-plus, she's rocking more energy than people half her age. Seriously, it's like she's discovered some secret. While most of us are still hitting the snooze button, Chef Babette is up at the crack of dawn. She runs her vegan restaurant like a boss and crushes a hit workout without breaking a sweat. I mean, come on, who does that at 70? Now, you're probably wondering what's her trick. Well, she's a firm believer in the power of live food and living consciously. Her vegan and raw food recipes are like little drops of magic that fuel her with endless energy. But that's just one piece of a puzzle. Get ready to know the insides of her incredible story. Number 1. The power of live food. We all want to feel energetic and vibrant, right? Well, Chef Babette Davis has discovered a fantastic way to achieve just that through the magic of live food. So, what exactly is live food? Well, it refers to uncooked, unprocessed, and mainly plant-based foods packed with essential nutrients and enzymes. These foods are believed to be bursting with life energy, which can do wonders for our bodies and overall well-being. Chef Babette Davis is a culinary genius who has made it her mission to create delicious and nutritious live food recipes. She believes that by incorporating more live foods into our diets, we can tap into a wealth of benefits. One of the most significant benefits is the boost in youthful energy and vitality. Live foods are incredibly rich in nutrients, vitamins, and enzymes that our bodies need to function at our best. Also, live food is easy for your body to handle. Chef Babette explains. Raw food is loaded with enzymes that aid digestion. Your body will thank you for it. Plus, it results in less kitchen hassle and more time for pure enjoyment. Now, you might be thinking, what exactly qualifies as live food? Well, think about fresh fruits and vegetables, raw nuts and seeds, sprouts, and even fermented foods like sauerkraut and kimchi. These foods are bursting with life and can be enjoyed in various creative and tasty ways. Number 2. Bouncing back from challenges. This incredible woman has faced some tough battles, including addiction, cruelty, and abuse. But let me tell you, she's come out on the other side stronger than ever. In her younger years, Chef Babette battled addiction. It led her down a dark path, but she never let it define her. With unwavering determination, she fought tooth and nail to break free from its grip. It wasn't an easy road, but she emerged victorious, proving that resilience and inner strength can conquer even the toughest challenges. Chef Babette's personal struggles taught her the importance of self-care and finding balance. Through her own journey of recovery, she discovered the healing power of plant-based nutrition. She turned her kitchen into a sanctuary where she crafted delicious meals that nourished her body and soul. Her experiences fueled her passion to make a difference and spread love and kindness. Chef Babette became an advocate against cruelty and abuse, using her voice to inspire others who had endured similar hardships. She's an inspiration to all who face challenges, reminding us that no matter where we come from or what struggles we've encountered, we have the power within us to bounce back and create a life filled with joy and vitality. So, my friends, if you're battling your own demons, remember Chef Babette's story. Let her courage and resilience inspire you to rise above adversity, embrace self-care, and nourish your body and soul. You have the strength within you to overcome any obstacle and live a life filled with youthful energy. Number 3. Embrace fitness. Chef Babette Davis knows that staying fit and active is a key ingredient in maintaining her youthful energy and vitality. She understands that a sedentary lifestyle can zap your energy and make you feel sluggish. So what's her secret to keeping that youthful spark alive? It's all about embracing fitness. First and foremost, Chef Babette believes in finding activities that you genuinely enjoy. She doesn't force herself to hit the gym if it's not her thing. Instead, she explores different fitness options and discovers what brings her joy. It could be dancing, swimming, hiking, or even trying out new workout classes. By doing activities she loves, she ensures that staying fit doesn't feel like a chore. Variety is another important aspect of Chef Babette's fitness routine. She understands that doing the same workout day in and day out can get boring. So she keeps things interesting by mixing it up. She might go for a jog one day, practice yoga the next, and perhaps try out a kickboxing class later in the week. This not only keeps her body guessing, but also keeps her motivation levels high. Chef Babette also believes in the power of staying active throughout the day, even if you can't dedicate a specific time for a workout. She incorporates movement into her daily life by taking the stairs instead of the elevator, going for walks during breaks, and engaging in activities that require physical effort. Small habits like these add up and contribute to her overall fitness and energy levels. Number 4. Finding balance. Chef Babette learned the hard way that life can get easily out of whack if you don't find that delicate balance. In her journey, she faced numerous challenges and had to juggle multiple responsibilities. But she never forgot the importance of taking care of herself. Amidst the chaos, Chef Babette discovered the power of me time. She realized that by carving out moments for self-care, whether it's enjoying a soothing bath, taking a peaceful walk, or simply indulging in a favorite hobby, she could recharge her spirit and find the energy to tackle whatever came her way. Another key ingredient in Chef Babette's recipe for balance is staying connected with loved ones. She knows that strong relationships are the heart and soul of a fulfilling life. By investing time and energy into nurturing her connections with family and friends, she found support, love, and a sense of belonging that fueled her vitality. Through her own experiences, Chef Babette also learned the importance of pursuing her passions. She understood that doing what she loved not only brought her joy and fulfillment, but also recharged her energy reserves. Whether it was cooking up a storm in the kitchen, exploring new creative outlets, or immersing herself in her favorite hobbies, she found that pursuing her passions was an essential ingredient for a balanced and vibrant life. So find that balance in your own life. Make time for yourself, nurture your relationships, and pursue your passions. Number 5. Positive mindset. Chef Babette knows that having a positive mindset is like a superpower that keeps her going strong. She believes that our thoughts shape our reality, so she chooses to focus on the good stuff and keep her spirits high no matter what. When faced with challenges, Chef Babette sees them as opportunities for growth and learning. She knows that setbacks are just temporary roadblocks on the path to success. By maintaining a positive perspective, she stays motivated and resilient, ready to tackle any curveball that life throws her way. Gratitude is another key ingredient in Chef Babette's recipe for positivity. She believes that appreciating the small joys and blessings in life keeps her grounded and content. Whether it's savoring a delicious meal, enjoying a beautiful sunset, or simply spending time with loved ones, she reminds herself to be grateful for these precious moments. But here's the real secret sauce. Chef Babette's positive mindset isn't just about herself. She spreads positivity like confetti wherever she goes. Her infectious energy and uplifting spirit inspire those around her, creating a ripple effect of happiness and motivation. Chef Babette understands the power of lifting others up and being a source of encouragement. She believes that by supporting and cheering on others, we create a positive community that uplifts everyone involved. After all, positivity is contagious, and it multiplies when shared with others. Number 6. Fueling passion. Chef Babette is all about following her heart and embracing her passions. She knows that when you do what you love, it ignites a fire within you that keeps you vibrant and energized. For her, passion lies in the world of cooking. She discovered early on that being in the kitchen was her happy place. The sizzle of the stove, the aroma of spices, and the joy of creating delicious meals brought her immense joy and fulfillment. She didn't let anything hold her back from pursuing her passion. Through hard work and determination, Chef Babette turned her love for cooking into a thriving career. She opened her own restaurant and started her delectable creations within the world. But it's not just about cooking for Chef Babette. It's about finding that thing that sets your soul on fire. Whether it's painting, dancing, writing, or any other pursuit, she believes that everyone has a passion waiting to be unleashed. It's the key to unlocking our fullest potential and experiencing boundless energy and vitality. She encourages others to dig deep, explore their interests, and pursue what sets their souls on fire. When we tap into our passions, we become fully alive. The excitement and enthusiasm that come from doing what we love infuse us with energy and invigoration. It's a powerful force that fuels our minds, bodies, and spirits, allows us to thrive and embrace life to the fullest. Number 7. Lifelong learning. From the moment Chef Babette embarked on her culinary journey, she made a promise to herself to always stay curious and open to learning. She sought out new cooking techniques, explored diverse cuisines, and embraced innovation in the kitchen. This commitment to learning has propelled her to new heights in her culinary career. But it doesn't stop with cooking for Chef Babette. She's a voracious learner in all aspects of life. She immerses herself in books, attends workshops and seminars, and seeks out mentors who inspire her. By continuously expanding her knowledge and skills, she remains at the forefront of her craft, bringing fresh ideas and perspectives to her work. Chef Babette understands that learning is not limited to textbooks and classrooms. It's all about embracing new experiences, questioning assumptions, and being open to growth and change. She encouraged others to step outside their comfort zones and explore new interests. Whether it is trying a new hobby, delving into a different field of study, or simply being curious about the world, she believes that lifelong learning is the secret to staying youthful at heart. One of Chef Babette's favorite things about lifelong learning is the sense of discovery and fulfillment. Each new piece of knowledge she acquires adds to her arsenal of creativity and inspiration. It fuels her passion and ignites her enthusiasm for life. She knows that the more she learns, the more she grows, and the more she can contribute to her craft and the world around her. And that's what makes her a true champion of lifelong learning. In the end, Chef Babette Davis is a true reminder that life can be tough, but how we handle challenges and reshape our journey is entirely up to us. She shows us that we have the power to take control of our lives and create something extraordinary. By embracing her story and learning from her experiences, we can find inspiration to overcome our obstacles. So let's not only admire Chef Babette's journey, but also internalize her wisdom. Let's be bold, take risks, rewrite our own stories just as she did, and turn our setbacks into opportunities. With a little bit of her spirit and determination, we can create a life that is truly extraordinary. Cheers to Chef Babette Davis and the inspiration she brings to us all.